Welcome back to my new video. Now in this video today I will show you how to plot the pH dependent spectra of the ligand as well as the complex or the metal ligand conjugates. So at first you have to record the fluorescence spectra of the ligand. Here this is a spectra of the ligand. With the variation of pH, you have to record the fluorescence spectra and you have to record its emission maxima in a notebook. Then open a origin tab. Here in X column, you should have to put the pH value at which you have recorded your spectra of the ligand. Okay, now I had started from in my experiment I had started from pH 2 to pH 14. Now this will be pH 2, pH 13. Okay, pH 2 to pH 13, and here you have to put the corresponding emission maxima of the ligand and their metal complexes in the columns. So at first we have to put the ligand value, then here it will be ligand plus the metal ion. Here it is two metal ions, that is one is aluminium and another is and another is mercury. Okay, so at first you have to put the value of ligand as I had already recorded the ligand value. So this is the emission maximum of the ligand with the variation of pH. Now just copy this value, just put this value into this column and then put the uh, emission maxima for the complexes in the origin, and this data will look like this. And here I had already put this. Now select all this data, go to the scattered plot, go to the line plus simple plot. Okay, so you can see that this is my spectral nature, this is the spectral graph of my paper or my experiment. Okay, now here one thing I have to modify that here this value it will be point 015. Okay, so okay, so it will be 0.014. Okay, now this is my spectra and we have to modify this spectral graph for the publication purpose. So for this just click on the point symbol, go to symbol option, change the symbol color, their size and their shapes. Okay, and if you go to line, then their line width we should change here, we can change here. Now this is the color and go to group color. You can, if you want to change the color at same time, then click on any color. Okay, any line, go to the double click, then go to group and you can see that this is the line color. Okay, so put here, click on the triple dot and choose your corresponding colors which you want to put here. Okay, now I am putting here this and another is, it will be okay. So after clicking apply, you can see that they are already changed. Okay, now complete this spectra. Okay, so drag this file to here and you can see that these are the pH value. Now click on the pH, go to bold, choose the options. So here you can see that the all words are marked with each other. So how we can change it now? press on the double click on this value, go to format option, and here you have to change the rotation value. So here I am changing it to 45 degree. So you can see that this is the rotation of 45 degree. Okay, so you can vary this value. If you put this value 30 degree, now it will look like this. Okay, so I have put here 30 degree, and I am changing it from 28 to 24. Okay, it should have to be changed 28, and it will be emission intensity. Its unit will be at arbitrary unit, that is AU. Okay, now click on the double axis, complete this graph. So it is very easy. Just few minutes it will take to draw the graph. Okay, so this graph is now complete. So when I place this graph according to my paper, now this is complete. Okay, so we do not need this. So just press back. This is the final graph. It will be suitable for publication. Okay, so that's in this method we can easily draw the pH sensitive graph of the ligand as well as their analytes. Okay, thank you.